5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, now we're going to talk about the potentiometer. I drew a basic diagram so we can explain what it's made of and understand actually how it works. Potentiometer acts basically as a rheostat of which we can vary the resistance of. By moving the wipe away from the base, we can actually increase the resistance of the potentiometer, and therefore we actually decrease the current, so we can prevent the electrons going to LED maybe if it's in our system, and then LEDs won't work. But when we move the wiper to the other side, we actually let the current flow through, and then our system will work. In our case, the LED. In this example, we can assume that the cap of the bottle is a single-turn potentiometer and the water is the current. When a potentiometer acts with total resistance, no water is able to pass through. However, when we turn the cap of the bottle to some degree, water starts to flow. And when we remove the cap, no resistance exists and the current is at its maximum. When we turn the cap of the bottle again, we put some resistance and diminish the current. The price of the potentiometers depends on the material we use, but it can range from a few cents to thousands of dollars. The potentiometers we use in our experiments are usually worth $0.50. Pot meters are made of different materials. The carbon composition is the most common material used in pot meters, and it's very cheap. The wire-wound material can handle high power, it is very long-lasting and precise, and it has a rough feel. The conductive plastic has a smooth feel, it has high resolution, which means it is very sensitive, but it's very expensive and used in high-end audio equipment. The ceramic is a very stable material for pot meter and is quite expensive too. Potentiometers are used in car pedals or joysticks to control audio in music sets, or to measure distances in position transducers. The potentiometer, also known as pot meter or a pot, is simply a variable resistor. It is adjustable and it has 3 terminals. 2 terminals are connected to the ends of a resistive element and the other is to the wiper. It has a wiper to change the value of the current which goes to the connected device. The position of the wiper determines how much voltage is coming out of the potentiometer.